Hello everyone, this is MP. So this is our 10th video in the video series in JavaScript basics. So in this video we're going to talk about the array, how we can use the array in the JavaScript and how it behaves and how we can use it to store our collection. So basically array in the JavaScript is behave like a collection. So array act as a collection because array is the only class available in the JavaScript. So you don't have any other collection like data tables, data sets, and lists, and like that, dictionary. So those kind of collection. So in the JavaScript you have only array to store your collection. So let's get started. So how to define that array? So there are many ways that how we can define the array in the JavaScript. So firstly we can put the variables, and my variable is like names, and I can just put it, we can define like this array in the JavaScript. So there are other ways, I'll show you around, but right now and yeah, the one thing is noticed here, the array is starting, the index of array is starting always from 0. So what we can do here, in the names array at a 0 index I can put a string value or whatever integer value, does not matter. Okay, so let's save it. So here let's refresh this, it will say Manpreet and John. So it will show all the names contained in the array. So if we do some changes over here, we want to show only a specific value, what is on index 1, save it, and then we can say here, refresh it, it will show only the value of that index. So let me take another example how we can define the array. So here I will just put any what we can say, subjects equals to, and in our array we can put like, okay, English, bioinformatics, maths, and all that. So similarly in alert we can, if we say subjects, save it, it will show the whole list, English, and if you specify the index like we did that, so on 0 it is English and 1 it is bioinformatics, so it will show bioinformatics. Cool. And array is like not a data type specific in the JavaScript. So if you so usually in the other object oriented language, mostly we define like what the data type of this array. So we put it like a string type. The data type of this array is a string type, or it is an integer type, or it is a long type, or it's a boolean, or whatever. So here in this one it is not like anything like that. So we can change, like we can put 2, and here if we say oh, my mistake guys. So here I am putting the wrong expression. The as I told you, like the JavaScript is very case sensitive, so we have to put t here, small t. So let's try this now. So right now it is working. So it is treating this value as a boolean. All right, so that's why it was not reacting, because it thought something is wrong there. So similarly, let's put 2 here, and here we can put false, save it, and it is working. Cool. So now I'll show you how you can get the length of the array. So basically length of the array is like the number of words are available in the array. So in this case it is 1, 2 and 3. So subject dot gth length, it will populate 3. Alright, let's do some fun over here. Let's so this is an array, and instead of value we can just put for loop. And what I gonna do, and I gonna start from 0, and what here is more than or less than 10, and here we gonna increment it. So in this array we gonna put this value. So what we can put here, okay. Oh, my mistake guys. Here I will have to put like this. So here I'm defining my array, and here I'm putting the value on that location in the array. So let's run this. Alright, so we are only getting this value. Why? Let's try to fix this. So this is not getting, so we have to put the values on the index. So if I put I here, so at 0 level it will put this value mp plus 1 or 0 whenever it is going to start. So now it will put like the value again and again in it. So now let's run this. So now what is happening, at 0 level it is putting the value mp plus 0, and second loop mp plus 1. I mean, it is concatenating. So let's run this, save it, and then run it. Alright, so it is giving mp0, mp1, mp2, mp3, and up to mp. Here it is breaking before 10. Let's put a breakpoint here so that every lane after every value it will break and show us a separate values. Perfect. So mp0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is working perfectly. So similarly, you can loop through those arrays and you can get the values. So you can store your values like I am doing. Alright. Okay guys, so I think this is my mistake. Here I put the brackets. So let's save it and run it, see how it will look like. Where we want to put our values in the array collection, but there is a method that will automatically put the values at the last. So that is called push method. So right now you have seen like in our, where it goes, here is 0 to 9. So let's try to push a 10th value. Okay, let's do that. So here, before alerting, let's take our subjects dot push push. We're gonna pass the string mp10. Okay, save it and then refresh the window. What happened to this one? Why it is so, come on, what happened to this one? Okay, so it is available. So let's refresh. So till here we are looping, we are getting the value through loop, but this value we just pushed with the push method. So when we have to push the value, we don't need to define the location of the array where we're gonna push it. Alright, so this is very easy. Alright guys, so since we are not concerned about the location, so let's use the push method here as well. So because we are putting the value one after another, so let's make a use of that. Dot push, and this we gonna put it in brackets. Okay, so save. So this will push the values one after another. Let's see. All right, so it is working correctly. This is about the push method. All right guys, so this is pretty much it is for the array. So array, you can use it like a collection. I hope this video gives you a little bit information about the arrays as a collection, how you can use it in a JavaScript. So soon I will come with the advanced JavaScript series. So that's it for this video. Alright guys, stay tuned. Bye bye.